is surrender Narendra going to be Chaukidar Chor hai for Rahul Gandhi? That didn't work. Will this work? Or will this also crash?
I don't know if it'll be good or bad. What I can say personally, because I vote for the Congress, is I don't like it when somebody says bad about Nehru to Manmohan Singh, to anyone. I don't like it. And therefore, I don't like it when somebody says bad about Modi, not for any other reason. But no Prime Minister willingly puts his or her country in jeopardy. Hindsight is always 20/20. You may make errors. No.
So okay, I don't think... One by one.
Allow me, please. I don't think that the current Prime Minister of India did surrender. In fact, I will go a step ahead to give him credit for responding with Operation Sindoor and for upping the ante. If I thought Pulwama was audacious and mind-blowing,
I don't want this. I want to ask you that politically, was it wise for Rahul Gandhi to make this?
I think when a country is in the middle of a skirmish or a war or a warlike situation, you must not make personal attacks. I'm very clear
Anand,
on that. No personal
calling
attacks.
You Abhijit? Okay,
Anand, second time.
एक बार insult कर दिया और दूसरी बार.
Anand, so do you think surrender Modi is going to get the Congress votes, or is it going to backfire like Chaukidar Chor hai?
नहीं, backfire का क्या मतलब है? That you know Rahul Gandhi doesn't think before he speaks his mind. In fact, आप clip की बात कर रहे थे exclusive की. 2 seconds का Rahul Gandhi, if he makes sense, that clip itself would be copyrighted by anybody. लेकिन वो आज तक ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. वो clip ही नहीं बना है. So it's immaterial. वो जो भी कहें वो we've seen his clip. It just adds on one of hundreds of such. That is immaterial. मैं आपको कुछ और बात कहना चाह रहा था. मैं आपको कहना चाह रहा था कि इसके objectives कोई please define करे. I'm not just trying to play.
किसके objectives?
I'm not playing devil's advocate. I'm not playing devil's advocate. I genuinely want to know. Wiping out 9 terror hubs of Pakistan.
On the first night.
एक second. The entire country is a terror hub. ठीक है? तो ये कहना कि 9 को wipe out कर दिया हमारा objective था, ये मैं नहीं मान सकता. पूरा देश ही है terror state है. ठीक है? पूरा state terror state है.
Correct.
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि cessation of activity से कहीं ज़्यादा ज़रूरी अब I hope we do not give them what we have taken away, what was justifiably ours, which was abrogation नहीं कहेंगे, abeyance of Indus Water Treaty. That is so much more important than what we did, or as important as what we did during Operation Sindhu.
That is what I'm trying to say.
You go?
Okay, Sushant and then Abhijit.
Yeah. So I think the objectives are very clear. There was a heinous terrorist attack which took place.
Correct.
India was not going to turn the other cheek like we had done in the past, for whatever reason. Yeah. Right? We'd done it in the past. I think Modi has firmly established this, that if it crosses a certain threshold, and that threshold needs to be defined.
Correct.
We should never simplify an enemy's attack prognostication.
Maybe.
We should never define.
But which means that they are going to keep probing. But anyways, we'll enter that debate later.
Yeah.
So the idea was to, one, you have to hit them back where it hurts. Second, it cannot just be a shallow kind of a thing. You have to hit
This time.
where it makes a massive impact.
Yeah.
Okay, so where did you hit? You hit all the most important terror headquarters and bases, right? Number 3, you had to start raising the cost for them. Number 4, you knew that the Pakis will retaliate, they will hit back, and that you are going to dominate the escalation ladder. All 4 objectives were achieved on the 10th. Which is when the Pakistanis sued for peace to continue, because the whole damn bloody country, shitty country, is a terrorist hub, would be getting into an endless war, a forever war. Do we want it? I don't think so. I don't think anybody in India wants it.
Yeah.
You want... do you think even if you had bombed the hell out of the whole goddamn bloody shitty country, you think you would have got rid of terrorism? No, you would not have. So this is going to be an endless battle, and you have to learn to fight it that way. One second. So now on the other part, that Indus Water thing has been done with a lot of deliberation and calculation. I will not be surprised, and again, you will behave like Elon Musk to my Donald Trump. I will not be surprised that, and which they are not going to do, incidentally. But if the Pakistanis have been given a stark choice, end the nests of terrorism and dismantle this infrastructure, and then we will not stop your water, but certain aspects of the Indus Waters Treaty will be renegotiated so that our projects are not obstructed and their life can be increased. To that extent, we will be ready to not stop their water. If they continue the way they are going, as this asshole Asim Munir is trying to do by giving all these third-rate bloody terrorists like Lashkar-e-Taiba and others, and that goddamn stupid sexist Punjab speaker sitting out there and saying मेरे बाप का दोस्त था हाफिज सईद उल्लू का पट्टा. ये जो हरामी है ना, अगर ये चलता रहा, जो I don't mind, I will abuse these. Right? If these buggers continue what they are doing, then you can be rest assured we will develop structures on the rivers which are going to starve the Pakistanis of water.
Okay.
On one statement, no Prime Minister knowingly does something he says goes against the nation. I humbly disagree. There are facts that prove otherwise.
I disagree with you on this.
Really? Okay.
I will agree with
I agree with Tehseen. Because when you look, people can make mistakes. They can make huge gaping mistakes. They can make the same. Don't confuse
intent with stupidity.
Yeah.
Okay.
So first,
the circumstances.
Yeah.
In which decisions are taken.
People tend to forget the kind
in
of
71. Who were the people? Forget the Americans. The Russians were leaning on us. After having defeated them in the eastern sector, the Russians were leaning on us that you can't carry on. And the Russians and the Americans were working in tandem in 71.
And remember, you, as per the Geneva Convention, you cannot use prisoners for negotiation. Full stop. So anybody who says 93,000 you held and didn't negotiate, you can't. It is a violation of international law.
Anyway,
but two things. To one point that is
but it's important to bring that because on the social media sphere, there are lots of people who are saying this.
No, that's a
that
good
we lose on the table what we won on the ground.
No,
there are
what Indira Gandhi did was absolutely right. There is a separate story with the Shimla negotiation, but that is a separate story.
But I was talking of Nehru. I wasn't talking of Indira.
We could have negotiated it much better. This is one problem in our... Sorry, one sentence. Please. This is one problem in our foreign office. We are always looking to... कि अगर एक समिट हुआ तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंट निकलना चाहिए. ठीक है, दिस इज अ प्रॉपर प्रॉब्लम.
न्यू दिल्ली डिक्लेरेशन,
देयर हैज टू बी अ डिक्लेरेशन. वी आर नॉट रेडी टू वॉक अवे from the table if we are not getting what we want.
Do you know for the G20 summit? Do you know for the G20 summit what their barometer was? They were like, the previous summit was in Jakarta or something. They were like, they produced 280 position papers.
Correct.
We need to produce at least 800 position papers.
Not just that.
And the kind of bullshit that they had published.
Utter
bullshit.
Sharm el-Sheikh, there was no agreement at all. They would go back and forth. So there was Pakistani delegation here, Indian delegation, aage, piche, the foreign office, the security guys, back and forth. And then they come up with that rotten declaration.
यार वैसे उसमें कुछ problem नहीं.
एक मिनट, जब वो declaration आया ना और हम लोग बैठे हुए थे because the flight is going of, Air India 1. The PM has to board the flight. Delay, 2-hour delay, 3-hour delay. PM is not taking off. Why? Because declaration is not there. उसके बाद वो declaration होगा तभी निकलेगा.
मैं बताऊँ declaration में कोई problem नहीं थी because उसमें बोला क्या था कि the Prime Minister कि Anand Ranganathan comes to Sushant Sareen and tells him कि in Vasant Kunj there are these problems.
Sorry, so I disagree with you. The allowing of Balochistan on that declaration was unnecessary.
We should have played more.
We should not have
और information दो Balochistan में क्या हो रहा है.
And this is not just that declaration. There have been several declarations before and after where there was absolutely no.
Otherwise,
need.
I think the larger point
because they used it immediately. Pakistan knew it and they used it.
The larger point I'm trying to make is this obsession in the Ministry of External Affairs that there must be a document because there's a meeting. That we are not ready to walk away from a meeting if we are not getting what we want.
That, at least with regard to Pakistan, we moved के उनका dossier इतना होता तो हमारा dossier इतना, फिर उनका dossier इतना of the atrocities committed and where we can and we can't negotiate.
You know what this is? You know what this is symptomatic of? It's symptomatic of people with too many degrees but not enough education that need to pass off, who know their jobs are all activity and no achievement, and they over fetishize what little achievement they can get out of their
Okay,
lives.
what were you saying, Tehseen?
Okay, so two things. One, where Sushant started, and couple of these so-called intellectual writers on X put it up ke Pakistan is a Bhikhari nation. आप बंगले में रहते, flat में रहते. So should you escalate this? Should you fight? This is one thing, that narrative that works.
Oh, de-escalate.
The de-escalate gang, and also some writers, etc. Also Modi supporters, etc. And you know, one thing is that वो ठीक है होगा भिखारी मुल्क, लेकिन अगर आप एक फ्लैट में या बंगले में रहते हो और एक भिखारी आकर आपकी बीवी को छेड़ता है, आपके बच्चे को गाली देता है, आपके बच्चे को धक्का मारता है, आपके माँ को गाली देता है, आप छोड़कर रहोगे? It is your duty to to throw him out of the house.
चाहे वो अमीर हो या भिखारी हो.
It is. You can't say कि मेरा फ्लैट है तो क्या है? It is your duty. Secondly, I think we must understand that India is doing the world a favor, is doing humanity a favor by ending this menace. If you don't end this menace, tomorrow they will strike Europe. Day after they will strike
They've
America.
struck already.
Osama bin Laden was found in Pakistan.
What was London bombing or 9/11?
9/11. Where was Osama found? We are, I don't know why our foreign ministry can't put it out that we are actually doing the world a favor by sending these cockroaches back to the 72 hoods. Let them go there. And
You think they don't know, Tehseen?
No, but
these countries know it, but it serves their
But on,
purpose.
So what is the
on this
objective?
important thing, look, Israel is also doing the world a favor. You know, yesterday, Abhijit and I were on this
Abhijit.
panel.
Who's Abhijit?
That's Abhijit.
I gave up.
This is his sarcasm.
You guys are on a channel.
So Abhijit and
Y'all
I
are cheating on us.
were on our
You can say
friend-
a year and a year.
Y'all are cheating on us.
Singh, Abhijit Singh.
हाँ.
and, Iyer.
Yes,
bloody
channels
fake
are
Tamilian.
picking up my
Fake
samosa
Tamilian.
One
comments.
second, yaar. So Abhijit
Ye
and
na
I were on
padega.
a channel
Ye na
on our friend Navika's channel, in fact, on Navika's program, and we were at this amazing position where between his brother Abhijit and me, we corralled the AAP, RJD, Congress and the
Communist.
CPIM to come out in support of Israel's anti-terror campaign in Gaza. Can you believe that?
Seriously?
Yeah, Somnath Bharti ji said, my complaint with Modi is that he did not go in and get Hafiz Saeed and bomb the living daylights out of Islamabad and things. And Vivek Srivastav and Nikhil Jain and the professor from the RJD were like, yes. So boss, this is major. The Israelis should give us the Israel prize or something like that for getting the
इसमें एक चीज कहूंगा तैसे very
अच्छा, last,
quickly.
then we move to
हाँ.
the Ukraine-Russia thing.
यार देखो ये ना
क्या बोल रहे हो
इंट्रैक्टेबल सिचुएशन है. अगर आपको लगता है
अच्छा ठीक है, वो छोड़
नहीं,
दो. Elon Musk को डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प
हाँ,
याद आता है.
थोड़ा सा और interesting हो जाए. अगर आपको
Mother
लगता
of all battles, the
है
Elon
कि
and
we've
Donald, yeah.
stopped Pakistan sponsoring terror.
No.
No,
I'm
we
afraid
haven't.
that's not.
We
the-
haven't.
Yeah,
Agar-
haven't. It has
I'm
not
just
happened.
saying.
Yeah.
This is a situation. They are playing the numbers. Gaza में भी Israel कुछ भी कर ले. It has only escalated the problem of terrorism. It's not stopped it. It's the truth.
मैं आंसर
वो नहीं हो सकता. It's a fact.
मैं रिप्लाई टू दैट.
ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो सकती है. न्यूटोनियन 3 बॉडी प्रॉब्लम है.
I reply to that.
अब political correctness में आप
the political correctness. Let me reply to that. I accept what you're saying. He's accepting.
Yeah.
You are you as in there is an analogy of
Abhijit.
a
Abhijit is a gambler.
gambling addict on the road, a druggie on the road who is coming into your house and continuously creating menace. No, one second. If you know he's going to do it again because the guy is a psycho, he has a problem. Now, anything short of killing the guy, you have to defend. वो आपकी माँ को आके धक्का मार रहा है, आप क्या करोगे? Boss, what happened at Pelgam? They asked for names, IDs, kalma, and then they check the pants. How do you let it pass? If you don't escalate the cost, उसकी हिम्मत बढ़ेगी.
Yeah.
अब वो
There's
एक
no
बार-
option.
अब वो सोचेगा कि यार करना है, वो करने वाला है. But you increase the cost every time. If Pulwama was if Balakot was increasing the cost after Pulwama, this has increased the cost manifold. And you've called out the nuclear blast. You've called out that nuclear blast. That is
amazing.
the
No,
point.
do I have time to
That
debate?
is-
So, sorry, can I just come in? Because there is a huge assumption in what you said, Anand, which is, you can defeat terror. Okay, we have defeated an insurgency in Kashmir. Israel has not been able to solve the Palestinian problem.
Nagaland, yeah. Who ever
Listen,
thought?
Nagaland,
Yeah.
the Naxal problem.
Punjab,
Punjab especially.
Yeah.
Punjab claimed the life of a chief minister, of a prime minister and a chief minister. We've gotten rid of it. People don't give us credit for certain things. So, for example, what I told you about drones, our defense, our anti-drone defense, it will never be written about in any military academy or whatever. but it is that is because we
Objective
don't
मिला
know
कि
how
नहीं.
to
हाँ.
sell ourselves.
but-
We have never,
but-
we have
but
never
we add
sold.
caveats.
अच्छा, now let
we have
him-
never sold our counter-terrorism
Sushant,
expertise.
wait.
I need to add a
I think
caveat
we have
for
been much
मतलब
more
you're supporting
successful.
the caveat, ना?
We are
Sushant,
much
एक
more
मिनट.
successful again in counter-terrorism than probably any country. on
Okay,
earth.
So
one
let
minute.
me add a
Sushant.
caveat and
Well
in
said.
your support.
Yeah,
yes,
Sushant.
yes.
Okay.
The
Support
the
में
difference between what we did
हाँ.
and why the Israelis have not entirely succeeded is because what was happening within our own country.
Exactly.
And we were able to do what we wanted
और
to do.
दूसरे साइड पे मिलिट्री नहीं थी यार
दूस-
गाजा
और
के
दू-
लिए.
हाँ एक वो फैक्ट. So there are those issues. But where I would go along with Anand is that the kind of terrorism we are now talking about, okay, is not existential terrorism. It is afterlife terrorism, if you get what I mean. Okay, it is a death cult you are fighting.
Yeah.
Now,
Auto-necrophiles.
ये बहुत अंग्रेजी हो गई है मेरे को नहीं
It's
पता.
Latin.
But
Paji,
okay,
it's Latin.
so let me the closest parallel to this, if at all parallels can be drawn, is in the 19th century when the British were fighting this menace, not just in the Indian subcontinent, but they were fighting it in Africa, in Sudan and other places. And what they did was, you probably cannot do that today, but the kind of massacres that the British did, at that point of time, they eliminated them. They would put them in front of cannons and blow them. Today, you will have the entire world on you if we were to make an example of these jihadis like that.
Winston
right?
Churchill was using gas in Iraq.
Right.
The British Army used gas in Iraq.
Okay.
The British invented concentration camps in the Boer War and
Exactly.
they used disease as a weapon.
Exactly.
They slaughtered
They taught the
Kitchener
Germans to build concentration
Kitchener,
camps.
Yeah. After Kitchener was killed in...
But genius they British
when
ka.
Gordon was killed in Khartoum,
हाँ.
what Kitchener did in Sudan was nothing
और
less
ये
than
हमको बताते
हाँ,
हैं.
और ये हमको बता.
But under Congress watch, every year there used to be a major riot, right? But they were a secular party. और तहसीन जैसे लोग अभी भी कांग्रेस के लिए वोट करते हैं कि सेक्युलर पार्टी है, सेक्युलरिज्म का झंडा उठाता है.
क्योंकि तुमको
Sushant, can I
पता
just
है
add to that? You know, this is what upsets me.
And the Congress
Rahul upsets me. Sonia,
Congress party brought
Manmohan,
in cow slaughter laws.
Manmohan, Narasimha Rao, Rahul Gandhi, Indira Gandhi never upset me because they maintained the Congress as a big tent party. I think the decline started in the Sonia years when they started going to... See, she's a European with these European social democrat ideas about this thing. And unfortunately, Rahul, in his mind, is much more... Look at who he respects. He can never respect a Ghanshyam or Harlal from Son of the Soil. He needs only Ivy League ka chapa wala people to surround him.
I don't think so now.
Yeah, he does.
Now he has all these leftists
He has
who
Kanhaiya
has
Kumar.
around her.
He has Kanhaiya Kumar, but
No,
Kanhaiya Kumar is Desi Ivy, na?
No, there was a
Desi Ivy
time
League.
that there were only the
But this is
elite
what
around
gets
him.
me. This is what gets me about.
पत्तल की बात
we
कर
are
रहे हो
all.
वाला कुछ.
यार, 1 second, let me finish.
यार मेरा चांस 10 मिनट पहले आने वाला था.
यार,
अभिजीत को चांस नहीं मिल रहा है. बहुत गलत बात है. आनंद be quiet
Okay,
now.
just 2 more sentences
हाँ
and then
यार.
we go to Anand.
You got it right.
Tend-
Thank God.
And I think this is where Abhijit gets it wrong.
फिर पिटाई होगी.
That he extrapolates Rahul Gandhi's mindset onto Nehru and Indira Gandhi. They were nothing. They were I can never question the nationalism of Nehru and Indira Gandhi.
Oh my
I
God.
agree.
You got to be nuts.
This is a hill I'm
Roko
willing to
mujhe
die
koi,
on.
roko.
This is the hill I'm willing to die on.
fine.
Oh my
And that is why I say this. When I say this, you have to understand my bitterness now with the Congress. That, Bilawal is a kind of
Meow.
gay, twinky, androgynous version of Rahul Gandhi. And Rahul Gandhi is the butch, macho, straight
Bilawal is gay?
version of
I know
Bilawal.
boyfriend.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.